Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How you all? I hope so you're all fine with good health. Welcome to online classes from Darul Arqam School. Now student, it's a time of your English lecture. So take out your English workbook, page number 37. Do you know student what is our topic today? Today's topic is preposition. And do you know student what is a preposition? No? Okay, I'm going to tell you that what is a preposition. Preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other word in the sentence. उर्दू में preposition को हरूफ जार कहा जाता है और ये एक वर्ड का दूसरे वर्ड से पोजीशन का पता देता है. मीन्स कि एक लफ्ज़ से दूसरे लफ्ज़ का रिलेशन को जाहिर करता है. किसी भी सेंटेंस में ये हमें बताता है कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ पे है, उसकी प्लेस के बारे में और उसकी डायरेक्शन के बारे में बताता है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट. Actually, preposition tell us where is a person, an animal, a place, a thing is. कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ पे है. Now you can see student, here are some preposition: behind, in front of, next to, between, near, above. These words are preposition. Now you can see student, here is a ball, and ball is in the box. Now ball is behind the box. Behind is preposition. Now ball is outside the box. Outside is preposition. Now ball is under the box. Under is a preposition. Now ball is beside the box and beside is preposition. Now ball is above the box and above is preposition. These all words are preposition, and preposition tell us where is a person, an animal, a place, a thing is. कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ पे है, कोई person कहाँ पे है, कोई animal, place के बारे में हमें बताती है कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ पे है. Now you can see here are examples of preposition: on, in, under, over. These words are preposition. Now you can see in this sentence like the cat is jumping over the chair. Over is preposition and over tell us that where is cat. Now you can see in other sentence that the rabbit is under the tree. And under is preposition and it tells us that where is rabbit. कि rabbit कहाँ पे है. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start today's work. Firstly students, open your workbook, page number 37, mark date and day. Date is for 24th May and day is Monday. We have discussed about preposition. Do you know students what a preposition is? Preposition tells us where is a person, an animal, a place, a thing is. In this way, preposition word contact with noun or pronoun. Now you can see my book is under the papers. Under tell us that where the papers are. The dog is sitting on a chair. On tell us that where the dog is. Words like on, in, between, behind, near and under are prepositions. They tell you where something or someone is. Now student, you got it that what is a preposition. Look at the picture and tell where the ball is in each picture. Now you can see here is a box and a ball. Now tell me where the ball is. Yes, in the box. So preposition is in right here. Now in this picture, the ball is on the box. On is preposition right here. And in this picture you can see where is the ball. Ball is under the box. You write here under. Under tell us that where is the box. Now you can see here are two boxes and ball is between the two boxes. So you will write here between. Now you can see the ball is in front of the box, in front of preposition right here. Now you can see ball is behind the box. You will write here behind, and behind is preposition. Here are some sentences with preposition. Circle the prepositions in each sentence. Now you can see here are some sentences and you will circle the preposition. First one is the postman is at the door. Now you can see at is preposition and you will circle it. At tells us that where is the postman. There is a clock on the wall below the picture. Now you can see on is preposition, so circle it, and on tells us that where is the clock. The car is parked near the gate. Near is preposition and near tells us that where is car parked. The cow is behind the tree. Behind is, tell me student, what is the behind? Behind is preposition. Now circle it, and behind tell us that where is the cow. The cat is in front of the chair. In front of preposition, so circle it, and in front of tell us that where is the cat. Cat is in front of the chair. The snake is in the shoe. Circle in, and in tell us that where is snake is. The rabbit is under the chair, so circle it under word, and under is preposition and it tells that where is rabbit. Now student, your writing should be neat and clean and you will learn the definition of preposition.